Who went and caught this family? Who? I said, who caught these things?
What is the meaning of this shouting this morning, Papi Kemi?
Who caught these things?
What is your business with the town food you caught, Papi Kemi? What is your business?
Oh, is that me you are talking to like this? Hey! I'm sure you are mad.
Me? Mad?
What's wrong with you?
Uncle, these things you're doing is not good though. Don't you have the right to go to our father's farmland?
I don't know.
What you like?
I wonder.
Thunder scattered this useless head.
God forbid.
With your father? Eh? When men start laying claims to land? When? When I get to be by it's over.
Asi ko ezigbo tasi. Isi na asi Papi Kemi, isi asi na nka.
Hi!
Oh, gini.
Ogini. Eh?
Yeah, why are you shouting at my children? Telling them they have no right to their father's family.
I know. Yes, I know you are the one. I know you are the one deceiving these idiots.
Call my children idiots.
You have no right to step into our land without my permission. See, you have no right to do that. Am I the one who asked your late son not to have a male child before his death? Nekwagio, you are joining him.
Look at you. I saw you in front of forbid. In front of you. It will not work.
Not me and you.
It will not work for you.
Oh, why is this man talking to grandma anyhow?
Talk to him. Where?
Give him a man.
Address me as this man.
I kill you. You are a shame to this family. Yes. You are supposed to be an outcast. In fact, you are an outcast. Iganna. Take this thing. Take this thing. Bukeri ha, Bukeba, no Kani.
If you know that you're a man, now Mogi, you bring her Nangada. Touch it.
Bubi Ebu. Kari.
No, a room here, room. Touch it.
I hope you're not talking to me.
He's talking to you. She said she should not touch it.
I think you
Adugo,
carry this thing.
am I talking to you?
Enya. Oh, man, I get it, man.
Papa, who am I?
Yes.
Ogini. Papa, which of them?
Carry Haja.
Ogini.
Buya.
Thank God now mother approached me. Man is not God. If man were to be God, He started doing this when you people were little girls. Do you remember how your father died mysteriously in this compound? Obiano knew what killed your father. 2 years later, his wife joined him. Obiano man calling him now. But he did it. So he will take everything. But you see me here, I will fight him. Even if I die, I will fight Obiano from the grave. You knew it was that wicked man that killed our parents, and you kept it all to yourself.
Thank you for telling us so. Because even from today.
A whole war! War! It hasn't even started though.
Is he that heartless? To have killed a man and his wife for just nothing.
You know your grandfather. That's my late husband. He was the senior brother to Obiano's father. They were very close. Onaso, they shared everything together. The farmlands, the palm fruits, everything. If I'd known it would be like this today, I would have encouraged them to share everything. But now that I don't have a child, how can I make wrong? I am going to be another. I'm not going to be another.
We're here for you.
You have killed my brother. It is now my turn. Kill me. I want you to kill me. Leave my sister alone. If I hit you. Leave my sister alone. Leave me alone. Leave her alone. See you. You think you have manpower? Don't worry. I'm in the university. I will send convoys to you. Leave my sister alone. Leave her alone. Took it down. Leave her alone. I will fuck you up. Leave her. Leave her now. Look at what they've done to my brother. They have killed my brother for me. They have killed my brother.
What is the problem? They have killed my... See now.
No,
killed my son.
That is not possible.
They have killed him.
It's not possible.
See him down. Hey.
Hey, bring water. Okay, go and bring water. Dikeh. Go and bring water. Dikeh. How? Go and bring water. Water. Ndo. Hey, Ndo. Oh, I knew he was faking it. Oh, in a form or death. Stand up. Get up. Kwando is getting called to kill my daughter.
Papa, wicked. See your father. See me here.
Why is everybody holding? Leave me now. Nothing is wrong with me.
We know. Just
where is Moab one?
Go inside.
Why is everybody holding me? There's nothing wrong with me now.
Okay, go inside now. Kill them, Papa. Do you want to
Papa, why are you taking me inside? Can't I walk inside?
Go inside first. Okay.
I'm okay now.
Okay, sorry. Yeah! Unu ga ebu kwachu n'obodo a.
Yeah, wait though. You are trying to say that Ola threatened you with her cult boyfriend.
You've not seen anything yet. She said so, and she seems bent on making good her threats.
What can she do? What nonsense? If she eventually brings in any stranger to this land, I will deal with that person. See, I am from the city. I'm from one city. You understand? What nonsense?
Yeah, no, that's sure. If anybody enters this village with any stupid intention, I am Naija. We'll finish the person.
I trust you guys. I know what you can do. I'm so proud of you too.
That girl get mine.
Overmind the warrior.
She opened that idiot that she come out to talk rubbish.
Dustbin.
Yeah? Does she expect you people to be scared?
Trust her, my sister. She asked her to try it. She asked her to dare it, and she will disgrace both of them.
Mwabo, can't wagaba.
I don't know where that
If she will finish the entire...
Forget it! I will personally deal with them. I will place them in a place that they will be dead to the path.
Calm down. Miko.
What are you not talking? See, what is that girl's name?
Ola.
Write it down for me. I will place it somewhere. Forget about this voice. See, I've been singing since last night. That is why my voice is like this.
Udo.
Yeah.
Udo. You mean what?
I want to venture into music.
Udo the rapper. Udo the rapper.
Forget these people that are singing. What is it? Fino. Congaso them. Forget them. I mingle with this guy called Brandy.
I don't know this part of you, Udo.
You don't know? Start doing it now.
May give you that. May give you
Please, let's hear the lyrics.
Beat. Okay. Tikanti.
Hey, Mwabo nne. Didn't you hear me calling you?
So I should forget the fact that I'm already late for the market. Then I should stop and start listening to the rubbish I know you are going to say now.
Mwabo, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You don't even know why I was calling you. Better stop this your behavior. You behave childishly.
Listen again. Fichono, my friend. Fichono, go iso. See, Baroko,
Barak, go. Take your time. Watch your mouth, oh.
Ta. Mind which mouth? Which mouth?
It's again.
Which mouth? Wait now. Let me talk to you now. Don't be in a hurry. I heard that your cousin Olachi threatened to bring her court boyfriend to deal with you. What happened?
Is that news? Nonsense. Yeah.
Well, but wait. Must you take everything for granted? See, those boys are dangerous boys, so court boys. Fear them, they can kill at any time. Your cousin threatened to employ her court boyfriend to deal with you, and you're here telling me that it's nonsense. You better begin to take things serious.
Is this the reason you stop me now?
Okay, that's not enough.
No, it is not enough. It is as useless as you are, because you are very useless.
Nwabo, what? Nwabo, I know you can insult me the way you like. Insult me the way you want. I will take it from you. You've been doing it. I'm used to it. But don't tell me not to bother when your life is in danger. Do you understand?
Because I will bother. Danger. Maybe I'm the one in danger. It is my headache up here. It is not your own. Allow me to drink and alone. Leave me alone. Can I go now?
You can't go now. Wait first now. I know you're doing all these things to stay. Mwabe na bakarat.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Yeah? What is it? Which driving school issued you driving license? Are you mad? Did they tell you that this place is for learners?
Look at this. Look at this young lady. Huh? Look at you. Who gave you the audacity? Who gave you the impetus to insult me?
Charo, now me you dey speak grammar give. So you don't know how to say you're sorry?
What?
You might have to sorry.
I should say what? Sorry to you. Or you're the one that is supposed to apologize to me and not me apologizing to you.
Apologize to me. Wait. You threw away my tomatoes. If I fungwa him, then I should say sorry to you, apologize to you for it to fungwa him.
What kind of a girl are you?
Punish your girlfriend.
Are you mad? This girl, are you mad?
I'm ready to stop. You don't even know how to drive.
Are you stupid? You're a mad woman. You're a mad girl, you this girl.
Hello. You're still talking.
I'm still talking.
If you say anything there again, I will use the remaining tomato here to bust you.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
You are very stupid.
You're stupid. You're the one. You're not normal. I said you're not normal.
I am not normal.
You're not.
Hey! He said I'm not normal.
You're not normal.
I will show you I'm normal.
You show what?
I will show you.
You're not normal. That's what I'm telling you.
I will show you.
If you want trouble, go give you a double. If she blow you, or the car mama. She know the fear face, I know ya fire. But when the boyfriend, go jail with lover.
exactly are you talking about?
What I'm saying is that you and your father should leave Nwabo and her family alone.
Eh?
Leave Nwabo and her family alone. I heard you came back from school last night and you've already started making troubles with them. To the extent of threatening to bring your court guy to deal with her in this village.
Let Moab come and fight. Let her come and fight. Is she not a tiger? Let her come and fight.
Listen, it was not just an empty threat, but a promise with a guarantee.
Go.
Listen, since Nwabu feels she's very stubborn, and has the strength of a tiger, I want to allow her meet her match.
You dare it not, Olachi. You cannot do that. You can never do that. Let me tell you something. Let me just advise you. If you know what is good for you, don't even try to bring that guy into this village. Because I will make sure he does not live alive. It's a promise, oh.
Wait, what did you just say?
Brother, wait. Brother, wait. This is my fight. Oh, this
it's my fight too.
Calm down. Let me finish this ball. Hey. Come, this ball. Can you tell me what relationship you have with Wam that is making you to try to get yourself involved in a matter that does not concern you? Who are you to Wam?
Don't mind this idiot. You need to see the way Chika has been following Wam, one Dikeh, like each. The funny part of it all is that Wam does not even give a damn about this idiot.
Why?
You know, sometimes I wonder if he knows what he's doing. You know Wam one does not even look like a girl.
Nobody.
Tell me what a man will be doing with a fellow man. Is it not an abomination?
Are you okay?
Aru!
Ikenna! Ikenna!
Okay.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth! I will pull your eyes! Watch your mouth!
Don't show yourself.
If you leave me, I will destroy something. I will do what I will regret.
Leave me to fight this man.
So, okay.
If you ever try it with my brother,
Hey.
you.
I want you to see,
How want to challenge a city girl?
That which city guy? Which city girl?
You are challenging me. If you know the man,
I could tell him.
Why are you always looking for my trouble? Have I not warned you not to put your dirty things on my table? I got wrong here before. Why are you always looking for my trouble? I got Peria.
What is your problem? There's no one here when I came. I decided to use it before you come. Is that a crime?
Jello, do you know you're very wicked? You're the wicked. You don't like people touching your things. You don't like people using your things. Mano go abu number 1 ni use nka mmadu. Come on, go put na my stop boy so. Chineke.
Nwoke wine.
What's again?
Do you want I will just use this and plug your eyes this morning. Are you mad? Why are you telling that she's very wicked? Negative wicked. Nagi wicked. Nagi wicked.
I'm not gonna go.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I was trying to reach you, but your cell phones were off. Oh, I see. Yes, Mom. I'm in the village now. Yeah, my journey was smooth, very smooth. Yes, very smooth. Yeah, and the village is cool. So how are you? I hope you're not missing me that much. Okay, Mom. I won't stay longer than I planned. Yes, Mom. I'll check it first thing tomorrow morning. Oh, yes. No, the village is cool. Yes, Mom. Love you, Mom. I'll take care of you. Okay, Mom.
So, these people can go behind my back to sell all my land. No! Okay. Where is Ijenna?
Who is this?
I said, where is Ijenna? Where is Ijenna? Ijenna, where are you? Where are you? Where is...
Do you know if she's around? Huh?
These idiots like taking me for granted. Wabu! Oluchi and Adugo, come out here now!
Papa Ikenna, what is it again this time?
May thunder blow this thing you come out. This stinking thing you come out. Thunder scatter it.
Uncle, you lie. Thunder will not do her anything because she did not insult you. What is it? Why do you always like making trouble with us?
Ukwensu get mega alu for saying that I make trouble with you.
It is you that equals to
What trouble? Eh? If you know that you don't like trouble, why entering people's day? Why?
Wait. You don't understand. What is going on? Did anyone say we stepped into their bed?
Okay. Why did you plug that pier that's around Market Square? Which I warned you people never to touch anything that belongs to this family without my permission.
Bia. Why are you making noise? Eh? What is your problem? Entering people's house? Did anybody enter your thing? Eh? Oh, EBERE bamboo. You're not ashamed of yourself. So because of the pier we plucked from our father's land, that is why you're here making noise up here? In fact, disappear.
Wab, does that mean you dare to disappear with this your dirty mouth?
Ichiku. So, get out. Go now.
You are talking to me.
Chero, you are still talk welcome. Cut away you from here.
See? You push me. You push me.
You can't get the work out in half muscle. I don't care in half muscle. Go, Sarah.
Push me like this. Eh? You push me like this. You idiots. Strangers in my house.
Let me tell you something.
You are visitors here. Squatters. You are just squatting. Yes. This is my house.
In our father's house.
But the problem is she doesn't feel for trouble. But if you find her, one day you got prayer. You got prayer well. Dikeh, she's strong. I told you now. I'm still interested.
What are you doing here?
slept? I thought Adugo said you're in your room. Mama, why are you sad? Eh? You're looking very sad. Okay, ho? Don't even tell me it's because of Uncle Obiano. You can't know Obiano.
He's treating me this way because I have no male child. If your father were to be alive, would he be treating me like this?
I know. And that is why I am trying my best to make him understand that you have somebody. And that as long as I am here and I'm still alive, living in this house, that he can't treat you anyhow. And I'm trying, Mama. I'm trying my best.
But you can't be fighting him every day. Eh? It will not solve any problem. Hello? One day you girls will get married. You will go to your husband's house. I will die. Otazilaka. Obiano will take over everything. The lands we are fighting for, your father's house, all the property. Obiano Buluna.
Mama, I think you're right.
No. 3 beautiful granddaughters. Onye ọbụla n'ụdị nke ndị nwa na-eji bunny black bụrụ someone. Nke ọzọ na-acha ogologo bụrụ afọ ya. Nke ọzọ ọ na-ete ọ dịka ebe ọbagwu na-aga. Ụmụazị bụ someone. If it were nowadays, one of you would have stayed back, started having children in her father's house, so that your father's lineage will not close or continue.
Mama, that was in your own days. I am very sure a lot of things have changed now.
Hey, Mbano, the tradition still exists.
I'm sure. It's not possible, I doubt it. Because no girl in her right senses will agree to such in this 21st century. Oh, not possible, Mama.
Let me be sad in my own corner.
Yeah, Mama. Come, let's go and sleep.
Oh, I don't want to go and sleep. They are for 21st century.
Mama, Biko. I don't want to laugh this night. Come, let's go and sleep.
Dikeh.
Such an interesting girl. The kind of village girl I, Nelson, cannot afford to lose. The more I think of her, the more fascinating she becomes.
That is right. That is certainly the reason Obiano is doing all this. What do you plan to do about it?
Nanny, I was thinking, see, Mama wrote if I should go and bring a young girl into the house. Marry her and she will bear children for my late son. But on the other hand, I I'm Naija that maybe I could get one of my granddaughters, marry her, then she will bear the children from my late son.
Have you seen any girl to marry?
Well, I was just thinking about it. I've not seen anybody yet.
Which of your daughters do you have in mind?
My granddaughters. Oh wow. Any of them or Dabal, anyone can serve. Any one of them that understands the tradition. That will be okay for me.
Have you discussed with any of the girls?
Not really. But I spoke about it a little, wanting to Wabu. You got to go. And honestly, if you ask me, I think Wabu is the only one that I can convince.
So do everything you can to convince her. You know she loves you so much. And others do. You know, you are a woman. And you don't expect me to teach you stuff like that.
When you get very old, you turn into a man and nanny.
You are still the beautiful Ijenna. That beautiful village figure, all the young men in this village were ready to have. Nothing has changed about you. Age is only but a number, like the white men say.
That was there. The good old days.
I mean what I'm saying.
Hey. But I just hope this
will work.
Yes.
You.
You again. The motor guy, Okuya. What do you want? Have you come for another round of tomato stoning? Because I'm ready for you.
No. See, I did not come here for troubles, okay?
So what did you come to do?
I just came to buy tomatoes.
You came to buy tomatoes? Chero! Oh, now you want to buy tomatoes? If you had killed me the other day with your car, would I have been alive to sell tomatoes to you?
No, what happened the other day wasn't my fault. You see, you were just trying to...
You are still forming Mr. Right for me. Chero, what can I form Mr. Right? Oh, yeah, fool!
I'm sorry, please.
I don't want to sell to you. Go. Look at Nanya. Is it by force? Papa! Hey, oh yeah, come. Bia, come, let me say to you. But next time, don't be claiming Mr. Right with me. Tomato ego ne kecho.
500.
Sauce.
Yeah.
500. I can go and appoint me who to only 500. Lazy. Come and take your 1.5.
No, don't worry. Give it change, yeah?
1.5. 1. Hey! Papa cheated here. 1. Hey! Ihuoma! 1.5. Hey! Come on, you chua! Man, you chua! Office na mama lafia.
Wabu, where are you going to now? Come, let me help you. Let me give you a lift.
Thank you.
I'll drop you now. Let me drop you back. Let me drop you in your house. I'll put in my boot. Wabu, please. Please, let me just drop you.
Stop beating me.
Wabu, let me just drop you.
Okay, I would have entered, but there's no space for my barrel.
But that one is not the problem now. I'll carry your barrel and put in my boot.
I don't want.
Wabu, why are you behaving like this?
Stop beating me.
Wabu,
Leave me.
Wabu, Wabu, calm down. Calm down. Is it because just small pause now you want to break my windscreen? Huh? Come on, pause. You want to just go pause. Take it. So you want to break my windscreen? Come on, pause. Come on, pause. You want to break my windscreen?
I told you. I'll finish. Okay. Let's start again.
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for Wabu.
Wabu. Which Wabu?
Wabu, they say she stays here. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Wabu.
are you doing here? Don't tell me you followed me to this place yesterday.
No, I did not.
So how did you find here?
It was necessary for me to locate you, so I had to ask, and they directed me to your house. Come to think of it, is this how you entertain your visitors? I thought you were supposed to take me in, sit me down, and give me something very chilled.
The only thing that will take me into this house is for me to go and get a big pestle, a kodo, and then I will use it to break that your head if you don't get out of this compound now.
Well, I know you won't do such a thing. You can't do such a thing.
What makes you think I can't do it?
Because you have something that belongs to me. You have something that belongs to me.
Meaning?
Yes, yesterday while I was trying to give you a ride, I left my wallet in the purse. How can I explain that?
What are you talking about?
Yes, I left it. I left it with you. You can search.
See, if you make me angry here now, what I will do to you?
Wambu, calm down, okay? People are watching. Huh? People are watching. Just calm down. Or do you want to end up embarrassing yourself?
In fact, let me go in there and bring that purse. Amadioha will strike you dead if there's no wallet in that purse.
I pray.
Meaning what? Yeah. Look at my purse. I have not even opened this since I came back yesterday. Ngwa, search it. Search it.
It's a purse. You search.
Mbo, it is your wallet that you're looking for, yeah? Look for it there. Search. Nonsense.
Hey! Afuwana manya.
Wabu.
Afuwana manya.
You are a thief. Go away. I did not see anything, no. I don't even know how he entered the purse.
Ah! He didn't steal the bag. He didn't steal the wallet. What's the responsible money bag again? So you stole the young man's wallet?
My friend, mind your language. She did not steal my wallet. She did not steal it. It's all my fault. I was trying to give her a lift and I left my wallet in her purse. She did not steal it.
Let's mind our business. Let's continue minding our business.
Wabu, I'm sorry, I did not mean to embarrass you. Your purse. I'm sorry.
See now,
thank you. Wabu, calm down.
Just a step closer. Let me see how you're going to escape this time. Nelson, you're just a bad nigga.
You saved my ass.
Yes.
What is ass? My friend, you did not save any ass, so you just saved me from embarrassment. My cousins would have painted my name black today in the village.
Is that not saving your ass? At least you should thank me for that. That's all I mean.
My friend, I think you're the one that owes me an answer.
How?
How did your wallet enter my bag?
Well, I should be the one asking you how my wallet entered your purse.
You are insane. In our way, you are very mad. Come. Have my voice. I was also appreciative. My appreciation. Huh? Charo, Mama. What are you afraid of?
All those young boys out there that keep following you, but I don't like it though.
Mama, you don't have to worry yourself. Eh? You should learn to trust me.
I trust you. Well, you don't know those men there. Eh? When they want something, they will look for any way. They will do anything to get it. Eh? See, they can even set a trap for you and you will fall into it. Mama, if I may.
Not me, Mama. I am different. I know how to avoid men and their traps. You know, go.
But Emma, I wouldn't want you to bring any kind of shame to this family.
Do I look like someone that will bring shame to this family? Eh? Ha.
No. You remember that thing I discussed with you the other day? That tiny little favor I asked of you.
Mama, Biko.
Have you thought about it? Yeah, Malome.
It's again, Mama, that thing you asked me to do is not a tiny little favor. It is a big, huge favor. And I'm sorry, Mama, I can't do it all. See, Mama, I want my own family. I want my own husband. I want kids. I want a house. So don't even think of engaging me in that your barbaric tradition. I will not do it. In fact, Mami cousine fa all are so inant. Hi. Oh my walk. Oh walk. Eh? Look at the way you're sleeping on the road. Are you a child? Zokwano Mwegi. If you are snoring, and that's how everybody that will be passing will know that you snore while you sleep. Why did you wait till you get to your house before sleeping? What is wrong?
I don't know, fever. Fever.
Hey.
The fever just caught me here. I am so weak I can't even control my steering. Oh, my body is so weak.
Hey. Hey. But you should have called your people now to come and take you home instead of staying here.
That is if I have anyone at home. I don't have anyone. I'm not with anyone in this village. And my mother is in the city. I'm the only one in this village now.
Pagikwan.
My father is late. I am the only surviving child of my parents. Only me.
Hi. Yeah. Eh? What do you want me to do now?
I don't know how to drive. I would have said, let me take you home.
See, that one is no problem. There's no problem with that one. You see, I can drive. But all my body is so weak. My body is so weak. All I need is someone that can sit beside me. Like, as you're here now. If you can sit beside me and help me control the steering in case I try to miss my control. That is all I need.
Mba, I can't do it. Oh, Biko, find another person, please. I can't.
Biko, please help me.
Hi, this malaria, fever, fever.
Well, I'll do it because you are sick. But once I get to your house, Nilo, I will start going from there.
Yes, you don't have any problem.
No. Oh yeah, wait. Open the door. Open. Let's go. Open. Sorry. Oh yeah, start.
What's happening? Put it. Change it. Put it again. It's okay.
Well. Okay. Hey. Hey, take it easy, Take it easy. I don't know how to drive, take it easy. I don't know how to drive this. Turn which side? Hold it now. I've boiled water for you, so get up and have your bath.
You're still here. I thought you were gone.
No. I told you I wanted to go and boil water for you. Wait, you think I will leave you like this, in this condition and go?
That is so thoughtful of you. Very thoughtful of you. Wabo, you're a good girl. And that is why I want to make you my friend.
I don't understand you.
I am sorry I have not been able to tell you this all this while. I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. I don't know why, but I just can't help it. Baby, I promise you I will never hurt you. I'll always treat you like the queen that you are.
Biko, please. Nelson, I don't understand anything you just said now. Because number one, sick people don't talk about love. Number two, your water is getting cold. So get up there and go and bath. Awabagomo.
Biko, please try and come back and check on me, Biko.
Don't expect it. Get up there and go and bath. The child will bang.
Biko, come back and check on me. Come and see if I'm doing fine. Wabo, you're a good girl. And that is why I want to make you my friend.
I don't understand you.
I am sorry I have not been able to tell you this all this while. I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. I don't know why, but I just can't help it. Baby, I promise you I will never hurt you. I'll always treat you like the queen that you are.
Nobody has ever used such sweet words on me. You even called me babe. 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 That's baby now. Hi. But is it for real? Wow. What are you thinking, Seth? Hmm? It won't work. It won't work. All these city boys, they sharp. They guarisi. And where are they? And where are? It won't work.
Babe, you're here.
don't know, honestly. How is he doing you?
I don't know. My head aches. And then since 2 days now, I've been vomiting. From my room. My stomach, especially my mother, is aching me. My breast, it is paining me. I've never pained me before.
Wait. Did you say your breast?
Hey! Jinuaya, no.
Hey! Wabu.
Hey.
Wabu, you are pregnant. You're pregnant. Those are signs of pregnancy. You said your breast is aching, right? And then your tummy. And you've been trained up. You're pregnant now. Go and see a doctor. Go and see a doctor.
Cheruna, did you say those are signs of pregnancy?
Yes.
This boy a bulubia, osemo this and that, mkweteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka herande, obuli me chai. This boy a me malo, this boy a me malo, ifele bupano, this boy a me. This boy a bulubia, osemo this and that, mkweteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka herande, obuli me chai. This boy a me malo, this boy a me malo, ifele bufano mo, this boy a me malo. Anokwa me beno, this boy a bulubia, osemo this and that, mkweteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka herande, obuli me chai.
I am not responsible for that pregnancy. I am not responsible for it.
Yes, you're lying.
What?
Wabu! Wabu, leave him! Don't touch him! Wabu, leave him!
Did I give myself? Ask yourself. Ask yourself. Did I touch you? Did I touch your pants?